Hi, welcome to Mathematics. In this video, we want to solve these equations simultaneously. Let's name this equation 1 and this equation 2. From the law of logarithm, let's say solution. From the law of logarithm, when we have log a in base x is equal to b, it implies that x raised to power b is equal to a. Then, therefore, equation 1 becomes 3 raised to power 4 is equal to xy, which means that xy is equal to 81. Let's name this equation 3. Also, by equation 2 will become 3 raised to power 2 is equal to x over y, which means that x over y is equal to 3 raised to power 2, which is 9. Let's number this equation 4. So by solving equation 3 and 4 simultaneously, we say by solving 3 and 4 simultaneously, we have, let's say from equation 4, what's it by equation 4? We have x over y is equal to 9. If we cross multiply, we have x is equal to 9y. Net number this equation 5. So now if you substitute equation 5 into equation 3, we have, what is equation 3? We have xy is equal to 81. Whenever we see x, let's substitute it to be 9y. So we have xy, that is 9y, then multiply by y is equal to 81. If you multiply this, we have 9y multiplied by 9y, and that is 9y squared is equal to 81. If you divide both sides by 9, we have 9, then 9. This will cancel out. We have y squared is equal to 9. Then we have y squared is equal to 3 square. Then if these powers are equal, then the base are equal. Therefore, our y is equal to 3. So the next is to substitute y is equal to 3 in equation 5. What is by equation 5? Equation 5 says that x is equal to 9y. This is equation 5. So now we have x is equal to 3, 9 multiplied by 3, and that is 27. So our x is equal to 27 and our y is equal to 3. X is equal to 27 and y is equal to 3. Let's check. Let's say we want to check by equation 1. Let's say we have log xy in base 3 is equal to 4. Now, let's substitute x and y into this. We have log x is 27 multiplied by y is 3 and base 3 is equal to 4. Now we have log 27 times 3, that is 81 and base 3 is equal to 4. Then we have log, if you express 81 as power of 3, we have 3 raised to power 4 and base 3 is equal to 4. But remember from the law of logarithm, when we have log a raised to power b, it will be equal to b log a. So here 4 will come forward. We have 4 log 3 in base 3 is equal to 4. This will cancel out this. We have 4 is equal to 4. That means x is equal to 27 and y is equal to 3 is true for the simultaneous equations. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our next video. Bye.